Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Now let's go to the next question. We have two whole number 1 all over 3 minus one whole number 2 over 3. So how do we solve this? Remember, when we have whole numbers like this, you first check, is this addition? No, it's not. So we cannot subtract 1 from 2. You don't do that. What we do is you convert each mixed number to improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is what? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 all over 3. We have converted it to improper fraction. Now you do the second one. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 all over 3. You write it. This is the second improper fraction. Now you can see that we have the same denominator. So we write down that one here, the denominator. Then we subtract the numerator. 7 minus 5 equals what? 2 all over 3. This is our final answer. Now let's go to the next question. 3 whole number 1 all over 2 minus 2 whole number 1 all over 3 plus 2 whole number 1 all over 3. So we need to solve this question step by step. Let us first deal with the very first two. Then we now join the last one together with it. Now you can see it's a negative sign. So we don't do 3 minus 2. We don't do that. So you first convert this mixed number into improper fraction. We convert this one into improper fraction. So how do we do that? 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. 7 all over 2. Minus 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. 7 all over 3. Now we now check the denominators. Oh, they are different. So what do? We find the LCM. How do we find the LCM? You check. Is 2 a factor of 3? No, it's not. So what do? We multiply them together to get the LCM. 2 times 3 is what? 6. So you write it down here. That's the LCM. Then you draw your line. You now say, how many 2 can you find in 6? That is 3. 3 times 7, 21. Minus, how many 3 can you find in 6? 2. 2 times 7, 14. You write it here. So you now subtract. 21 minus 14 gives us what? 7. You write the 7 all over what? 6. You write it here. Now we now bring the second mixed number down. So what do we do again? We can convert this mixed number, into an improper fraction too. It becomes 7 all over 6 plus 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. 5 all over this 2. You write it down here. 5 all over 2. That's the improper fraction. So now we look at the denominators. 6 and 2. Are they the same? No, they are not. So we find the LCM. Now, to find the LCM, we first ask ourselves, is the lower number a factor of the higher number? Let's check it. 2 is the lower number out of the two of them. Is 2 a factor of 6? Yes, it is. 2 is a factor of 6. So you don't have to multiply the two numbers together to get the LCM. All you have to do is just pick the larger of the two numbers and make it the LCM. So we write 6 as the LCM. So you now ask yourself, how many 6 can you find in 6? 1. 1 times 7, 7. You write the 7 here. Plus, how many 2 can you find in 6? 3. 3 times 5, 15. You write 15 here. You now add the numerator all over denominator. 7 plus 15 gives us 22 all over 6. You can see this is an improper fraction. Let us convert it back to what? To mixed numbers. So what do? You write the numerator inside. You draw this division sign, and you write the numerator inside while the denominator outside. How many 6 can you find in 22? You can use your multiplication table. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 24 is already more than 22. So we go back to what? 3. 6 times 3, 18. So that means it's 3 that we can find there. 6 times 3 is, you write your 3 here. You write the 3. How many 6 can you find in 22? 3. You write it 3 here. 6 times 3 is what? 18. You write it under here. Then you now subtract that 18 from 22. What do we have? We have what? 4. So our remainder is 4. And we have 3 on top here. So what do? This 3 here is going to be the whole number. 3 whole number the remainder 4 all over what? 6. Right? But if you look at this number 4 all over 6, you can find out that 4 and 6 still have a common factor. 2 is a common factor of both 4 and 6. So we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the final answer becomes 3 whole number 2 all over 3. Now that we have solved a couple of examples on adding and subtraction of fractions, I want you to do this as your home task and write your answers in the comment section. Next, our next video lesson will be on how to add and subtract fractions and in solving word problems. In that particular video lesson, I'm going to be showing you all the answers to this home task before going on with the lesson of the day. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.